I'm gonna get a haircut today because I'm long overdue. This is my hair with no product. And yeah, it's time for a cut for sure. This is the only person I trust to cut my hair. Like I'm not kidding y'all. This is my girl. So yeah, we're gonna do some stuff.
Girl, you need some shape.
Yeah, I do.
Shape this.
I don't know what that was.
I don't know what that was either.
It's another moment worth 1,000 more. Simply grounded in the present with some miles to soar. Wanna wake up to some evergreens. You next to me. It don't really matter what you can afford. Make a promise to my mama we gon' act a fool. Taking off in my fantasy, made for me. You ain't tryna face it, wanna mask the noise. You ain't staring in the cockpit, what you're flying for. Tell me who you really tryna please, or tryna be. It's another moment worth 1,000 more. Simply grounded in the present with some miles to soar. Wanna wake up to some evergreens, you next to me. Something out of nothing, wanna have it all. Finally an anomaly, what we've been waiting for. Another product of the Florida dream. Florida dream. Candy light, full of spite. Gotta make amends in the midst of the night. Camera problem when you itch for a fight. How you gonna stand when you can't sit right? Remember that your fault that you're so uptight. Been through worse, been feeling like hell. Wanna pick it back up where you feel like. In and out of jail, now you can't post bail. Straight from the deal. No one gonna stand for the bread that's weak. Always stand up for my mans on me. If I stand out, that's who I be. Only going hard for the older me. All this song ain't never leave. Stepping into who I'm supposed to be. I can't jinx this, I'm a G. We only cultivate the essence of.
Are you an option bank?
Yeah.
Because the security guard just called someone to go start moving cars.
So I can roll hard. Where did I put it? Here?
Yeah, you're gonna have to figure something out there because I don't want your cards to get booted.
Wait, so do I go now? I don't know what to do.
Well, you're gonna go now, but I'm gonna get you back.
Oh gosh. Oh, I never know. We can't afford no boot.
But like that's something that.
Wait, what?
You ain't tryna face it, wanna mask the noise. You ain't staring in the cockpit, what you're flying for. Tell me who you really tryna please, or tryna be.
Like, are they like taking, giving a break? Like,
Not from what it sounds like.
okay. Yeah, I'm just park on the street.
Girl, do what you need to do. Check out the road too.
Oh shit.
I'm not responsible for
We real cute here with these space phones, okay?
to save the car.
It does. You
To save the car, girl.
Save my car.
Cool.
I'm just eyeballs. I'm just eyes over her.
Product?
Yeah, you're right there.
Am I still in the video?
No product yet. Yeah.
We're good. Your hair holds on the water.
Certain things I won't speak on, taking all of that shit to the grave. I'm waiting in a while while I'm singing. It's another moment.
Ooh, they got noodles. Ooh, they got dumplings. Yep, with it. That's good. That's good. Oh my gosh, yay. I'm like,
After you, then I'll come back here and move my hair in the nose.
oh my gosh, it's so good.
What?
You ate that before? Okay. I love it.
Like, your wings are actually
You do my hair, I literally don't want to touch it because I'm like, I don't want to mess it up. Oh yeah.
Fucking bitch, get over. God damn it.
Rebellious as fuck.
Nice. Pretty much dry.
This is my Michael Jackson curl. I lost my earrings, by the way. Just in case I keep this part. Where are your earrings? Lost.
No, so I was getting me ready to fight. Rip them shit out.
Ready. She got my
And
bag.
that happened so bad.
Oh my gosh, it was like so quick. I was like, wait.
And I looked
And
at
they're little baby ones. I'm like, the comb I think got like right in it, in the part. Yeah.
girl, I take your studs out. I'm just about to go.
I was like, wow, this is new. How did I lose an earring? I'm used to like breaking combs and shit. Oh my gosh.
Over here ripping on me. That's all this business.
like at first it's like, okay, okay.
Go all the way that way. We can have a rebellious one that way too. No, this side wants to pay attention.
This is that side. I'll just be flipping it on this side. Whoa, look at my ear. Always. Literally, I walk out of the office and go like outside and my ear turns red, like the heat. I'm like, what the hell?
My ears turn like it's starting because we're laughing a lot, but that's it.
Yeah. Okay, so this is us, fully dried. I did my makeup and changed and everything, but yeah, so here was part in the middle, actually. Yeah, it was parted like this, but I kind of flipped it just to kind of give a different look. Super defined. It's raining a lot and it's super humid, so that's literally the only reason for the small piece of fridge, which now I can't even see. But yeah, this is gonna last me hopefully a couple days, but like I said, the weather is like really suckish right now, so that may change how long it lasts. But I'm loving this cut. I'm loving like the shape. I feel like I definitely have just like more life to my hair. Like when it needed a cut, it needed a trim, but in general it just kind of needed to just have a shape. I don't really know how to describe it, but whatever was needed, I am satisfied now with how it looks. So I'm sitting on my bed, don't judge me, but yeah, like this is how the back looks. And she cut like maybe 2 inches. I don't know. I like don't care anymore as far as like, oh my gosh, you're cutting so much of my hair. I want my hair to feel and be healthy. I want it to feel healthy and I want it to be healthy. So if that means that I need to cut an inch off, I need to cut 2 inches off, then that's what I'm gonna do. I did used to have like mini panic attacks and like mini meltdowns about cutting my hair because I want my hair to reach waist length. Like I want it that long curly, not that long straight, that long curly, which is like gonna take forever to grow. But yeah, so I want my hair that long, and I'm always like, no, I don't want to cut it, especially like when I have length or whatever. But I just got over that. This summer has been ridiculously hot to the point where I don't want to wear my hair down, but then when I have it up too much, it like messes with my edges and gives me a headache. So it's like this constant battle between feeling like I have a heater on my neck or feeling like I have a headache. But either way, like my hair has been just, it's just a lot. It's a lot, and it's like a lot to maintain, and it just was feeling very dry and unhealthy. And like I said, I knew that the ends needed to be trimmed. So it feels so light right now. Like I'm just like, ooh, it feels like a load has been lifted. Yeah, it really feels that way, but I'm happy with it. So I am trying to get into these vlogs more. I'm trying. Okay. And yeah, so today was really fun. And I'm gonna tag my girl in the comments and everything. And yeah, now I'm gonna probably go out or something. I don't know. But that's it.
Another moment worth 1,000 more. Simply grounded in the present with some miles to soar. Wanna wake up to some evergreens, you next to me. It don't really matter what you can afford. Make a promise to my mama, we gon' act a fool. Taking off in my fantasy, made for me. You ain't tryna face it, wanna mask the noise. You ain't staring in the cockpit, what you flying for. Tell me who you really tryna please, or tryna be. It's another moment worth 1,000 more. Simply grounded in the present with some miles to soar. Wanna wake up to some evergreens, you next to me. Something out of nothing, wanna have it all. Finally an anomaly, what we've been waiting for. Another product of the Florida dream. Florida dream. Candy light, full of spite. Gotta make amends in the midst of the night. Can't more problem when you itch for a fight. How you gonna stand when you can't sit right? Remember that your fault that you're so uptight. Been through worse, been feeling like hell. Wanna pick it back up where you feel like. In and out of jail, now you can't post bail, bail, bail. Straight from the deal. No one gonna stand for the bread that's weak. Always stand up for my mans on me. If I stand out, that's who I be. Only going hard for the older me. All this song ain't never leave. Stepping into who I'm supposed to be. I can't jinx this, I'm a G. We only cultivate the essence of a higher.